Hi students, today we are going to revise the concept of has and have. As you know, we use has with he, she, it or any singular. So the next one is have. We use have with I, we, you, they or with any plural. Here, I have a worksheet for you. In this worksheet, you have to draw a line towards the correct option with has or have. First one, I will solve it for you. Here we have has and have. The first option is she. So, what comes with she? Yes, you tell me. It's has or have? Yes, it's has. So we match she with has. Now do rest of the matching on your own. Now here there is an other worksheet and you have to solve it by keeping these charts in your mind. Now I am going to solve first one for you. Now do the rest of the sentences on your own. So the first one is she dash a tasty cupcake. So what comes here? Have or has? Yes, she has a tasty cupcake. Hope all of you understand well. So see you next time. Goodbye and don't forget to stay safe.